transportation system congestion is one of the single largest threats to our nation's economic prosperity and way of life. The United States Department of Transportation has stated that in 2003, Americans lost 3.7 billion hours and 2.3 billion gallons of fuel sitting in traffic jams. Congestion is also affecting the quality of life in America by robbing us of time that could be spent with families, friends, and in participation in civic activities. Mass transit technologies, surface level rail, elevated rail, monorail, and bus rapid transit. All are engineering solutions to help us get from point A to point B. Elevated rail technology includes an infrastructure made out of concrete, which is the elevated fixed rail guideway to support rail technology. Infrastructure, before and after. Does this massive concrete infrastructure belong in the beautiful islands of Hawaii? I think not. The Straddle transit system is an alternative engineering solution that incorporates infrastructure and technology into a specially designed vehicle that straddles traffic congestion. The Straddle transit system is designed to transport people, services, and goods upon existing transportation corridors and respond to emergencies or national defense. The system includes straddle vehicles, straddle fixed guideway, straddle passenger stations, and a straddle traffic management system. Straddle technology is currently being used down at the shipyards, in agriculture, and in the monorail system to straddle the center beam. Our system straddles traffic congestion. The straddle vehicles include a straddle passenger carrier, which we have named Straddle Bus.
His idea, but one man thinks he has the answer for what was traffic problems and transit debate. Eric Nelson's his name. His blueprint consists of models and drawings and a simple show and tell. Hey, Jimmy and I's dealing over the thing. To get the gist of this story, you have to look past these props and into the mind of Eric Nelson. I'm an innovator. And simple innovator, and I see a solution to some major problems that we have. This is his answer to what Wahoo's traffic meant. A space-age looking vehicle that he called a Straddle Bus.
A personal transportation shuttle to transport segways, mopeds, electric wheelchairs, and smaller electric cars. Cargo container carrier. Emergency service vehicles. And armed service vehicles. These straddle vehicles are composed of a steel straddle chassis that is high enough and wide enough to straddle conventional passenger vehicles. which are mounted with off-the-shelf mass transit technology. The straddle vehicles are rubber-tired vehicles that are specially designed to straddle traffic congestion. The vehicles are operated by a driver and powered by a diesel and electric motor. The basic layout of each vehicle includes an operator's cabin, which includes power control, braking control, steering, and loading and unloading control. Front wheel assemblies for steering and braking. Rear wheel assembly for propulsion, braking, and steering. And an engine compartment for a diesel and electric engine. This is the basic rendering of a straddle bus, which includes A, engine compartment, B, passenger cabin, C, operator's cabin, and D, wheel assemblies. The vehicle is a rubber-tire vehicle and can be steered like a conventional bus, where the rear axles are locked and the front axles articulate. Or the driver can unlock the rear axles and drive the vehicle in a tight turn. Or drive the vehicle in a diagonal motion.